Kiama kia arutani a thukuru cia secondary KUPPET ni gitugiritie kiraniro kia president kiria eranire ati thirikari ni gutigirira o murutwo kuma thukuru-ini cia secondary cia kuinukwo ni amukira ciringi 22,244 cia mahuthiro ma thukuru mugaru no ria minister wa kigina John Badi augite ati thirikari iri na uhoti wa kurihira o murutwo ciringi 16,900 cia mahuthiro ma thukuru.
I am only appraising that position taken by the president. This is a very bold step to ensure that we as Kenyans get value for our rights.
Kuhana uguo kiama giki ni kiugite sekta ya githomo ni gumirwo ni mihinga kihiri iria fatie kumurikwo niguo kugacirithia mathomo kuri arutwo.
Do we still have the functional planning department of the Treasury? Is it really functional? Do we have a functional department of the Ministry of Education where data is progressively being kept and to inform the funding gaps which we are talking about?
Gitogoretio ni mwandiki munene wakio Akelo Misori ni uritie ministry ya kigina irekererie kigina giothe kia mahuthiro ma arutwo kia mwaka wa 2025 thukuru-ini cia muingi mbere ya thukuru icokereirie mathomo tamu-ini ya gatatu kuona thukuru imwe ni igumirwo ni mathire undu uria iremetwo gutwarithia na mbere mihango ya mathomo na kuicungiriria kuhinga tamu ya keri tene.
The crisis in this primary school is that there are debts which have not been settled. The whole issue has been so bad, and it only came to our realization that the government was already implementing a funding which had a shortfall and was not just made public until the minister told us that we should not live a lie. They cannot sustain it. We will only be comfortable when this money is sent to schools and beginning third term.
Misori ni oritie thirikari kuheana bajeti ya kwambatiria ngathi arutani 130 kuri kamiti ya TSC hamwe na bajeti ya kwandika wira arutani 20,000. Misori ni maikiti ihoya ria thukuru cia JSS gutwarwo thukuru-ini cia secondary ta uria wari mubango wa hau kabere wa uria wari minister wa githomo Professor George Magoha akiuga thirikari ihuthirite mabilioni ma mbeca gwaka irathi 16,000 na arutwo aya mangiahuthirire irathi iria ciari cia form 1 mathukuru-ini ma secondary na iria itigitwo iri utheri.
It would be very, very important at this particular time that to address the policy gaps that the Ministry of Education faces.
Misori ni ugite kiama giki gikoretwo gikiregana na ripoti cia gikundi kiria kiobetwo ni president gia kurehe mogaruruku sekta-ini ya githomo akiuga mogaruruku maria mari ripoti-ini no nimo macungireirie mihinga na morito maria magumeire sekta ya githomo guku bururi-ini.
We as a nation cannot assume that we are making progress when we are going backwards.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.